Are you looking for the 5 best lap desks of 2023, tested and reviewed? In this video we will look at some of the 5 best lap desks of 2023, tested and reviewed on the market. Before we get started with our video, we have included links in the description, so make sure you check those out to see which one is in your budget range. Number 1. Saiji Laptop Bed Tray. The Saiji Laptop Bed Tray is one of our favorite lap desks. The XL version that we tested is solidly built and has an oversized desk area with plenty of room for your laptop, books, notebooks, and other supplies. It's wide enough to be comfortable working on a couch, on a bed, standing at a table, or even on the floor. The adjustable legs keep the desk from resting directly on your lap while providing a stable platform on many surfaces. The lap desk is easily adjustable with a wide array of options, including tilt angle and height, which are controlled by a simple button push. Even when fully loaded, this desk was a breeze to adjust. Some additional perks include a removable book stand, a removable laptop support ledge, and a synthetic leather desktop covering. While we appreciated the wide, supportive legs and large desktop surface area, these features do create some drawbacks. At almost 8 pounds, the XL-size Saiji laptop tray is one of the heaviest models we tested. Additionally, while the legs will fold flat against the desk, it is still more unwieldy than most other desks in our lineup. Finally, it is one of the most expensive models in our review, though we believe it also delivers higher performance than the less expensive models. If you are looking for a larger desktop area in a highly adjustable package with several high-end features, we'd steer you towards the Saiji. Number 2. Wishacc Home Office Bamboo. The Wishacc Home Office Bamboo desk uses high-quality materials and construction to create a simple and convenient desk space. Sporting a more traditional padded lap desk design, this model nonetheless stands out due to its solid bamboo surface, high-quality adjustable padding, and well-executed design details, including a laptop support ledge and phone tray. The padding is foldable and helps dissipate heat buildup while providing a slight tilt that can improve comfort and ergonomics. When it's time to move to another room or out of the house, its carry handle and reasonable weight make it a convenient portable option. Although this lap desk is better at preventing heat buildup than most traditional padded models, it still falls short of tray-style designs that keep the desk off your lap entirely. Additionally, its padded design cannot compare to the wide range of ergonomic adjustments available from systems with fully adjustable height and tilt angle options. However, more adjustable options tend to be heavier and can be more complicated to set up, adjust, and stow away. Therefore, the Wishacc Bamboo remains our top choice for those in need of a simple, portable, and high-quality lap desk. Number 3. Nnewvante Bamboo Laptop Desk. The Nnewvante Bamboo Laptop Desk is an attractive and versatile option. It boasts a durable, full bamboo construction with adjustable height legs that allow for ergonomic sitting and standing positions. Rubber feet attachments help to keep the desk stable on various surfaces. Further enhancing comfort, the desktop surface can be tilted up to approximately 45 degrees, allowing you to adjust to positions on the couch, on a bed, or on the floor. This model sports extra features like a storage drawer and a removable laptop support ledge, making it an overall versatile and efficient workspace. Despite the excellent build quality and attractive design, the Nnewvante can't match the performance features of models with higher tech materials. While we love the drawer feature, it was noticeably sticky upon unboxing. We remedied this situation by treating it with dry lube, and it now glides open easily. Adjusting the legs can be more tedious than other modern designs, as one needs to loosen and tighten 4 different adjustment dials rather than hitting a simple button. Also, the larger size and full bamboo build is heavier than many other competitors. Still, those who appreciate bamboo for its natural aesthetic and durability will find this versatile lap desk worth a closer look. Number 4. LapGear Designer with Phone Holder. With a lightweight design, comfortable microbead filling, and a variety of fun patterns and colors all at an affordable price, the LapGear Designer with Phone Holder desk provides excellent bang for the buck. The microbead filling is flexible enough to conform to your body and provides a more comfortable and stable platform than other designs with denser padding. The lightweight design is easy to transport with a built-in carry handle, and the colors and patterns allow you to add a touch of personal flair to your home office. The LapGear Designer's microbead filling does a reasonable job at mitigating heat buildup, but doesn't completely prevent it. Any model that sits directly on your lap will likely eventually suffer from heat buildup. And while we appreciated the lightweight design, we found that the desktop laminate material isn't as durable as we had hoped, as we found a few small gouges and chips forming during our testing period. This model still became one of our preferred desks during testing because of its comfortable padding material and simple and lightweight design. Users looking for an affordable option that is easy to use and easy to transport will appreciate this model. Number 5. WorkEZ Best Adjustable Laptop. With 3 different adjustment points on each leg, the uncaged ergonomics WorkEZ Best Laptop stand can be configured in many ergonomic work positions, earning it recognition as the most adjustable design that we tested. A simple button push releases each of the 3 adjustment dials on each leg, allowing adjustment for sitting on a couch or bed or for standing at a table. The aluminum desktop surface helps prevent heat buildup and can be tilted at an angle or positioned flat. A detachable mousepad can be moved to either the left or right-hand sides and includes an independent tilt adjustment to keep the mousepad level regardless of the desktop tilt position. The impressive height and tilt angle configurations come with a learning curve. Getting the adjustments right where you want them takes some practice. As you raise or lower the legs, it can be challenging to get the angles properly aligned to prevent an imbalance. The legs are also a bit wobbly, especially as the desk is elevated, and the adjustment dials make an audible click that may potentially annoy partners or colleagues in a quiet work setting. Nevertheless, the uncaged ergonomics WorkEZ is still one of our favorite choices for dialing in an ergonomic work position for those long workdays or study sessions.